Another beautiful day working on the 41 Buick out here in the shop. I've got the parking brake cable installed, the cowl vent and the cowl drain. I'm going to be replacing all the grease fittings on this front suspension and steering, and I've got the quarter trim around the window installed, the rear fender finally, along with the gravel shield. Looks pretty good. I'm pleased with it. And look at this. Look at that Buick trunk emblem. I think that's just so gorgeous. Another fine day out here in the shop. Really enjoying myself doing this. Got the floor heater is installed. This goes under the front seat and it heats the whole car. Can you believe that? That's great. There's the opener for the cowl vent up here. Gonna put the doors on next.